And so the cases that they're talking about, I haven't seen those cases. Now, I went to a town hall meeting at the library, and DA Gonzalez was asking questions from the audience, and she said she could not talk about specific cases. But what people started doing, and I think they were mostly people from Oconee County. I don't have any proof of that, but I feel it was from Oconee County. They kept hollering out the case with the University of Georgia, and wanted to prosecute the guy that was in the car. That
hit and run.
That hit and run. That was racing. Well, they dealt with that. They given him a misdemeanor. So why are we gonna put him like he was in the car driving?
Right.
They want to seem to give him the same kind of stuff as the staffer who was driving. See, and that's the kind of case they kept throwing out. So that's what I'm saying they're looking at. It's like any kind of innocent black person and somebody Caucasian can do 3 or 4 times as much, and they want to look at the black person and charge him with the same thing the Caucasian do. Now, I love people, don't get me wrong. You know I love people. I love Caucasians, Hispanic, whatever. But I'm not going to sit here and, knock down all of the minority people when I see that they are the ones suffering, and people don't sometimes understand, is what I'm saying.
Does it seem odd to you then that the plaintiff in this case is a person of color?
I don't even understand that. When I came out here this morning, I did not know that. Maybe I'm not reading the papers as much as I should, or what have you. But it surprised me, and I really would like to talk to him because I don't know what he's talking about. You know what I'm saying?
What do you think is at the bottom line, the heart of all this for you? What do you want people to consider?
I think I want people to consider that this is political, that this might be a little discrimination, might be a lot discrimination, I don't know. But that's what I'm feeling. That's what I'm feeling. I'm feeling like we got a good DA. We haven't had one in 30 years, and now they're coming to jump her when she tries to do things that's going to be humanistic, is what I'm saying. And that's what fires me up. In fact, your questions fired me up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Well, I certainly didn't mean to fire you up.
Yeah, no, I like to be fired up because then I don't get bored.
Yeah, well, there you go.
You know?
Yeah, we have taken our position in all of this. We started looking at this before the writ was filed.
Okay.
Just because we were receiving so many comments from people about cases that were being dismissed or no-crossed, and then comments that were being made in court from the DA's office specifically saying we don't have enough staff. So for us, the story has been a staffing story. Policy's good, bad, that's for the community to decide, but if you don't have people willing to work in your office, you can't do anything, you know what I mean? So we've always taken this more from the position of staffing issues. So I found when they filed the writ to be really interesting because kind of, I guess, like her attorney said, a judge can't order someone to go work at the DA's office, which is really what the DA's office needs, is to be properly staffed.
But they're talking about issues and policies in there.
Right.
I heard him talking about the
I'm just saying we got involved and have been covering this
But you see it's more than that, right?
So
you see it's more than that. Right. It's more than the staffing issue.
I agree. Yeah. But to the extent that if money isn't the sole driving force, then leadership plays a role. And at what point do you have to take responsibility as a leader for what's happening in your office?